Exploring delicious traditions, Passover recipes unveiled. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic, Passover recipes. Whether you're a food enthusiast or curious about cultural traditions, this video will help you understand the significance and variety of dishes associated with the Passover holiday. Let's embark on this delicious journey together. Before we delve into the recipes, let's understand what Passover is. Passover, or Pesach in Hebrew, is a significant Jewish festival that commemorates the exodus of the Israelites from Egyptian slavery. This event holds deep historical and religious significance. During Passover, certain foods are traditionally eaten, while others are avoided. In this section, we'll explore why certain foods are important during Passover. Key to this celebration is the avoidance of hametz, or leavened bread. Instead, matzah, an unleavened bread, is eaten. This symbolizes the haste with which the Israelites left Egypt, having no time to let their bread rise. Other foods, like bitter herbs, represent the bitterness of slavery. Now, let's talk about some popular Passover recipes. These recipes are not just about adhering to dietary laws but are also a way to connect with history and tradition. We'll look at classics like matzah ball soup, karoset, and gefilte fish. Each of these dishes has a story and significance that adds depth to the Passover meal. Passover isn't just about traditional dishes. In this section, we'll explore modern takes on classic recipes. Innovation in the kitchen has led to creative variations that respect the traditional dietary laws while offering new flavors and experiences. From quinoa salads to flourless desserts, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of Passover recipes. We hope this video not only gave you insight into the traditional dishes but also inspired you to try some recipes, whether you're observing Passover or just curious about these unique culinary creations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content. Happy cooking and exploring!